Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving into the world of DEX aggregators today.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
DEX aggregators.
those platforms that are like totally changing the crypto trading game.
Yeah.
We found this awesome article on Medium.
Okay.
It's called Top 5 DEX Aggregators Revolutionizing Crypto Trading in 2024.
Wow.
It's got all the info on some platforms that are seriously shaking things up.
Like game changers, right?
Yeah. So if you're ready to find out about tools that could seriously level up your crypto game, then buckle up.
Let's do it.
Okay, so first,
Yeah.
can you tell us, like, what's so exciting about DEX aggregators? Why are people making such a big deal about them?
Well, they solve a major problem in DeFi. Too many decentralized exchanges.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, imagine you're trying to find the best deal,
Okay.
but you have to run between a bunch of different stores.
Yeah.
DEX aggregators are like your personal crypto shopper.
Oh.
They pull together the best prices from all over the place.
So they go to all the stores for me.
Exactly. And they help you avoid those annoying slippage fees.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Slippage fees. For those of us who are new to this,
Right.
can you break that down a little bit?
Of course. So imagine you're trying to buy a certain amount of cryptocurrency.
Okay.
Slippage happens when the price of that crypto, it changes between when you place your order and the time it's actually executed.
Right.
So this price difference, it can really eat into your profits.
Oh.
And that's where slippage fees come in.
Oh.
EX aggregators help you minimize these fees by finding the most efficient trading routes.
Oh, I see.
And splitting your orders across multiple exchanges.
So it's like diversifying.
Kind of like that, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
That makes total sense.
Very good.
Okay, so now that we've got the basics down,
Yeah.
let's jump into some specific platforms.
Let's do it.
The first one that really caught my eye is Aave.ai. And this one, it's not just an aggregator.
Right.
It's like a one-stop shop for like all things crypto.
Yeah, it's like your crypto command center.
Right.
Addy.ai is not just aggregating trades. They're bringing together data analytics, trading tools, and even AI-powered insights.
Wow.
All in one place.
Yeah.
You get access to information from over 140 blockchains.
That's a lot.
Yeah. It is.
So like what kind of stuff are we talking about here?
You get things like K-line charts.
Okay.
Those AI-powered trading signals you mentioned.
Oh, yeah.
And even tools to track what big players are doing.
Big players. You mean like
the crypto whales?
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah,
So it's not just for like seasoned traders. Anyone can use this.
Absolutely.
Oh, cool.
For example, let's say you're interested in a particular token.
Okay.
But you're not sure if it's a good time to buy or sell.
That's me all the time.
Right. So Aave.ai's AI trading signals analyze market trends using algorithms that look for patterns like momentum or mean reversion.
Hold on, back up for a second.
Yeah.
You said momentum or mean reversion.
Right.
What does that even mean?
Sorry about that. Got a little jargony there.
No worries.
So momentum trading basically means following the trend.
Okay.
So if a token's price is going up, momentum traders jump on board hoping it'll keep going up.
Got it.
Mean reversion, on the other hand, is the idea that prices tend to revert to an average over time.
Okay.
So if a token has like spiked or dropped significantly, mean reversion traders think that it will eventually go back to its normal range.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, so Aave.ai is using AI to spot these patterns and then just tells me what to do.
Basically, yeah. It's like having a digital trading assistant helping you make sense of the market.
That's kind of awesome.
Yeah, and what's even cooler is Aave.ai's AI is proprietary.
Proprietary.
Yeah, it's built in-house, meaning they're not just relying on some off-the-shelf AI solution.
Interesting.
They're constantly refining and improving their algorithms.
Oh, wow.
Based on their own data and analysis.
That's super interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, on to the next platform. Let's talk about DEX.
Okay.
Speed and security seem to be their big thing.
Definitely. Crucial in the crypto world where prices can change so rapidly.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But what sets DEX apart is their approach to security.
Okay.
They're not just doing basic token audits.
Right.
They're going a step further.
What do you mean by that?
Well, you know how rug pulls are a big concern in DeFi?
Yeah.
That's where a developer creates a token, pumps up its price, and then disappears with everyone's money.
Oh, the worst.
Right. So DEX has built-in features that analyze the token's code to look for red flags.
Oh, so they're like...
Yeah, they check things like liquidity locks, which prevent the developer from suddenly withdrawing all the funds, and ownership renouncements, which means the developer gives up control of the token's contract.
So it's like they're doing a deep dive into the token's DNA to make sure it's legit.
Exactly.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
And what about those real-time developer alerts?
So imagine this.
Okay.
You hold a certain token, and suddenly the developer makes a major change to the code.
Oh.
Maybe it's a legitimate update.
Okay.
Or maybe it's something more sinister.
Oh.
With BullX, you get notified instantly about these changes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you can then look into the details.
Okay.
And decide whether to hold on to your tokens or sell them.
So you're not just blindly trusting the developers.
Right.
You're getting real-time insights into what they're doing.
Exactly.
That's a game changer for transparency.
Absolutely. And those are just two of the platforms on our list.
Oh, wow.
You ready for more?
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm already feeling more informed and way more ready to tackle the crypto market.
Good.
What else is out there? All right, so up next on our DEX Aggregator tour,
Yeah.
it's DEX tools.
Ooh. Deep tools.
And this one,
Yeah.
it sounds like a real data powerhouse.
It is.
It pulls info from like a ton of different decentralized exchanges.
It's like having all access to the world of DX trading.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. DEX Tools gives you a really complete view of the market.
Okay.
Real-time charts,
Uh-huh.
historical data, token analytics.
Yeah.
It's all there.
So?
They even integrate with TradingView.
Oh, cool.
So you can use their advanced charting tools too.
So for someone like me
Yeah.
who loves like geeking out over all the charts and data,
Mm-hmm.
this is a dream come true.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it's not just about having the data.
Right.
It's about what you can do with it.
Okay.
Like, let's say you're interested in a token that's been pumping.
Okay.
With DEX Tools, you can dig deeper than just the price.
Oh, how so?
You can see things like the trading volume,
Okay.
which tells you how much buying and selling is actually happening.
Right.
You can also check the liquidity,
Okay.
which tells you how easy it is to buy or sell the token without affecting the price too much.
Wow. Okay, so you can really get a feel for the token's health
Exactly.
and see if the hype is real or not.
Mm-hmm.
That's super insightful.
Yeah.
Okay, but there's one feature you mentioned earlier that I'm really curious about.
Okay.
Wallet tracking.
Yes.
Why would anyone want to monitor specific wallets?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
It's all about getting an edge in the market.
Okay.
Let's say there's a whale.
Okay.
You know, one of those big players with a ton of crypto.
Yeah.
Who starts buying a certain token.
Okay.
By tracking their wallet, you can see their moves in real time.
Ooh, sneaky.
Right. And if they're accumulating a lot of a specific token,
Yeah.
it could be a sign that it's about to pump.
Uh-huh.
And you can get in early.
Wait, so I can see what the whales are doing?
Yeah.
And like try to ride their wave?
You got it?
That's kind of crazy.
It's pretty cool.
But also super smart.
Mm-hmm.
It's like having insider knowledge.
Yeah.
But it's all public on the blockchain.
Exactly.
Okay. I'm definitely checking out DEX tools.
It's a powerful tool.
Yeah.
All right, let's switch gears a bit and talk about DEX Screener.
Okay.
If DEX Tools is like the data powerhouse. Okay.
DEX Screener is like the sleek sports car
Ooh, I like that.
of DEX Aggregators.
Okay.
It's all about speed, efficiency,
Okay.
and a really user-friendly interface.
So this one's for the traders who want quick access to info
Yeah.
without all the bells and whistles.
Exactly. DEX Screener focuses on real-time data
Okay.
from various decentralized exchanges
Right.
and presents it in a really clean and intuitive way.
Cool.
They have this awesome customizable data filtering feature
Okay.
where you can zero in on specific trading pairs.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Trading pairs.
Right.
What are those?
So in crypto trading,
Okay.
you're not buying tokens directly with US dollars.
Right.
You're trading one cryptocurrency for another.
All right.
A trading pair represents those two cryptos that are being exchanged.
Okay.
So for example,
Yeah.
ETH-BTC would be a trading pair
Okay.
where you're trading Ethereum for Bitcoin.
Got it. So with DX Screener,
Yeah.
I can filter out all the noise.
And just focus on the pairs I'm interested in.
Exactly. This makes it great for newer traders
Cool.
who might be overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data on other platforms.
Yeah, totally.
It's like having a simplified dashboard
Okay.
that shows you exactly what you need.
All right, I'm liking the sound of this one. Simple, streamlined, and focused.
Yeah.
Just my style.
Oh, I thought you might like that one.
But we can't wrap up our DEX Aggregator tour
Right.
without venturing into the wild world of meme coins.
Oh, yes. Meme coins.
Right.
That's where GMGN.ai comes in.
Okay.
They cater to the crowd who are always on the hunt for the next big meme coin.
Uh-huh.
That's gonna moon.
Of course.
But they do it with a focus on security.
That's super important, right?
Definitely.
The meme coin space is notorious for scams and rug pulls.
Oh, yeah. You really need to be careful.
You've got to be so careful where you tread.
Absolutely.
Oh.
And GMGN.ai understands that. They offer these comprehensive security checks on meme coins, going beyond the basic audits that some other platforms do.
So what kind of checks are we talking about here?
Well, they look at things like the liquidity pool, which is basically the pool of funds that backs the token.
Right.
They check to make sure it's deep enough and that the funds aren't easily accessible by the developers.
Right, because that would mean...
Yeah, that would be a red flag.
Potential rug pull.
Exactly. Right. They also analyze the code to see if there are any hidden functions.
Oh, sneaky.
Yeah, that could allow the developers to manipulate the price or drain the liquidity pool.
So they're going the extra mile to make sure that you're not walking into a trap.
Absolutely.
That's a huge relief.
Especially for those who are new to meme coins.
Right.
But here's where it gets really interesting.
Okay.
GMGN AI also has this feature called insider and sniper monitoring.
Okay, that sounds intriguing.
Yeah.
What's that all about?
So in the meme coin world, there are these players called snipers. Yeah, they use bots to automatically buy new tokens the moment they're listed on a decentralized exchange.
Wow.
They're trying to get in early before the price pumps.
I see.
GMGN AI lets you see what these snipers are doing in real time.
So you can see.
Yeah, you can see which tokens they're buying, how much they're buying, and even the gas fees they're paying to get their trades executed first.
Wow. So it's like having a front row seat to the meme coin frenzy.
Exactly. It's a great way to get a feel for the market sentiment and spot potential opportunities.
So I could potentially get in on the action myself.
You can also track insider wallets, which are wallets associated with the developers or early investors.
Okay.
And if they're buying or selling, that can give you some clues about the future of the token.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow, there's so much depth to GMGN and AI.
Yeah, it's not just a platform for meme coin enthusiasts. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to understand this fast-paced market.
It's fascinating to see how these platforms are catering to such, like, niche markets within DeFi.
Yeah, it really is.
And it speaks to, like, the incredible diversity and innovation that's happening in this space.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
We've explored 5 very different DEX aggregators, each with its own strengths and features.
For sure.
But before we wrap things up,
I
want to circle back to something you mentioned earlier about liquidity pools and AMMs.
Oh, right.
Can we spend a few minutes just explaining those concepts?
Sure.
Because they seem to be like the backbone of how these decentralized exchanges actually work.
Absolutely. So to really understand DEX aggregators, you need to understand the underlying exchanges.
Okay.
And that's where liquidity pools and automated market makers come in.
Okay.
Think of a liquidity pool, like a big pot of money contributed by people who want to earn interest.
Right.
You can put your crypto into this pool and become a liquidity provider.
Okay, so people are putting the crypto into this pool, but what's in it for them?
Well, that's where the AMM comes in.
Okay.
An automated market maker is basically an algorithm that sets the price of the tokens in the pool based on a math formula.
Oh, wow.
So when you trade on a decentralized exchange using an AMM, you're not actually buying from or selling to another person. You're interacting with this liquidity pool. And the AMM algorithm.
So the AMM is like a robot matchmaker for crypto trades.
That's a great way to put it.
That's so wild.
And because the AMM is constantly adjusting prices based on the ratio of tokens in the pool, it makes sure that there's always liquidity available.
So no more waiting around for a buyer or seller to match my order.
You got it.
That's incredibly efficient.
It is.
But how do the liquidity providers earn interest?
The fees. Every time someone trades on the exchange, a small fee is taken out of the trade. A portion of that fee goes to the liquidity providers as a reward for contributing their crypto to the pool.
So it's a win-win for everyone.
Yeah.
Traders get access to instant liquidity and competitive prices.
Right.
And liquidity providers earn passive income on their crypto.
Exactly. And this is where it all ties back to DEX aggregators. Remember how we talked about them finding the best prices across multiple exchanges.
Yeah.
Well, they do that by scanning the liquidity pools on different decentralized exchanges and finding the most favorable rates for your trade.
I see.
They're basically comparing the prices set by different AMMs and routing your order to the exchange with the best deal.
So they're not just aggregators. They're also liquidity optimizers.
Yeah.
They're finding the most efficient way
to
execute my trade and get me the best bang for my buck.
You got it. And that's why understanding these liquidity pools and AMMs is so important.
Yeah.
It gives you a deeper understanding of how these decentralized exchanges and aggregators are working.
Wow. That was a lot to process.
It was a lot.
But I feel like I've leveled up my DeFi knowledge today.
Good.
This is why I love these deep dives.
Me too.
Okay, so we've explored this amazing world of DEX aggregators.
Yeah.
From their sleek interfaces to their powerful features like AI trading signals and whale watching. But more importantly, we pulled back the curtain on how these platforms work.
Right.
Diving into that fascinating world of liquidity pools and AMMs.
It's pretty fascinating.
Yeah, and that deeper understanding is what empowers you to navigate the DeFi space.
For sure.
With more confidence and make smarter trading decisions.
Absolutely.
Exactly. We've learned how DEX aggregators can help you find the best prices, minimize those pesky slippage fees, and even stay ahead of the curve in the world of meme coins.
It's a fast-paced world out there.
It is.
But remember, the DeFi landscape is constantly evolving.
Oh, yeah.
New platforms are emerging. Existing ones are adding features. The technology is always improving.
It's like the Wild West out there.
It is.
Full of opportunities, but also a lot of risks.
Yeah.
So what would you say is the most important takeaway for our listeners today?
Stay curious, keep learning, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to experiment.
I love that.
The more you understand how this technology works, the better equipped you'll be to navigate this exciting world of decentralized finance.
Awesome. All right. So to our amazing listeners, if any of the platforms we discussed today piqued your interest, don't hesitate to check them out.
For sure.
Do your own research, experiment with different tools, and see what works best for you.
Absolutely. And who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe you'll even come up with your own innovative ideas to contribute to this space. The future of DeFi is being shaped right now.
Right.
It's a really exciting time to be a part of it.
It is.
Yeah.
All right. Until next time, everyone.
Yes.
Happy trading.
Happy trading.
Okay, so we've explored this amazing world of DEX aggregators.
Yeah, it's been quite a journey.
From their sleek interfaces to their powerful features like AI trading signals and whale watching.
It's amazing what these platforms can do.
It really is.
Especially for the average trader.
Right. Like, who would have thought we'd have access to this kind of information?
It's pretty incredible.
But more importantly, we pulled back the curtain on how these platforms actually work.
We did a deep dive.
We did.
Into the world of liquidity pools and AMMs.
It's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it.
It is.
Like, all this is happening behind the scenes.
Yeah, these complex algorithms.
Right. But it's making trading so much more efficient.
Exactly.
And accessible for everyone.
And that's the beauty of DeFi.
It is. So, with that deeper understanding, our listeners can navigate the DeFi space with more confidence.
For sure.
And make smarter trading decisions.
Absolutely. That's the goal.
Exactly. We've learned how DEX aggregators can help us find the best prices, minimize those pesky slippage fees, and even stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced world of meme coins.
You gotta stay ahead of the game.
You do. It's a wild world out there.
It is, but it's also full of opportunity.
So true. But as you said earlier, the DeFi landscape is constantly evolving.
Things change so quickly.
They do. New platforms are emerging all the time. Existing ones are adding new features.
It's hard to keep up sometimes.
I know. And the technology is always improving.
It's amazing to see.
It really is. So what's the one thing you want our listeners to take away from today's deep dive?
It's a good question.
Yeah.
I think the most important thing is to stay curious.
I love that.
Yeah. Keep learning, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to experiment.
Yes. Try new things.
Exactly. The more you understand how this technology works, the better prepared you'll be to navigate this exciting world of DeFi.
Absolutely. All right, so to all of our amazing listeners out there, if any of the platforms we discussed today sounded interesting to you, go check them out.
Do your research.
Yeah, do your own research.
Experiment with different tools.
Find what works for you.
Exactly. And who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe you'll discover the next big thing in DeFi.
Or even come up with your own innovative ideas.
That would be awesome.
To contribute to this incredible space.
Yeah, the future of DeFi is being shaped right now.
And it's an exciting time to be a part of it.
It really is.
Until next time, everyone.
See ya.
Happy trading.
Happy trading.